Want to share an Instagram feed post to your story, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to reshare an Instagram post onto your story. Now let's get started. To reshare an Instagram post to your story, open the Instagram app and find the post you want to share. This can be one of your own Instagram posts or one posted by someone else. If you're sharing a carousel post, swipe to the slide you want to share. Then tap the share icon. At the bottom, select Add to Story. Now you can customize the story post. Tap the post you're sharing to change the frame style. Add text, stickers, and music if you like. When you're ready, tap Your Story to share your story post. When people view your story, they can tap the post you've shared to view the full post. That's all it takes to reshare an Instagram post to your story. For more helpful Instagram tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.